Hello, this is Rhonda Schaefer and welcome to my YouTube page. Today I'm going to talk about, are we in the same boat? If you have not been here before, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget the notification bell so you're notified when I post content for you or go live. One of my team members who lives on a different continent forwarded a story by an unknown author. It really resonated with me, and I believe some, if not all, will with you. Imagine that it is a stormy, windy, and rainy day. You are floating on rough waters in a boat. Think about the boat you are floating in. Are you in the best boat and want to stay, or do you want to change and pick yourself another boat? We are not in the same boat. I heard somewhere that we are all in the same boat, but it's not like that. We are in the same storm, but not in the same boat. Your boat could be shipwrecked and mine might not be, or vice versa. So for some, quarantine is optional. A moment of reflection, of reconnection, easy in flip-flops with a cocktail or coffee. For others, this is a desperate financial and family crisis. For some that live alone, they're facing endless loneliness, while for others it is peace, rest, and time with themselves, their mothers, their fathers, sons, and daughters. With the $600 weekly increase in unemployment, some were bringing in more money than their households than they were working. Others were working more hours for less money due to pay cuts or loss in sales. Some families of four received $3,400 from the stimulus, while other families of four saw nothing. Some were concerned about getting a certain candy for Easter, while others were concerned if there would be enough bread, milk, and eggs for the weekend. Some wanted to go back to work because they didn't qualify for unemployment and were running out of money. Others want to kill those who break the quarantine or refuse to wear protective masks. Some were home spending 2 to 3 hours a day helping their child with online schooling, while others were spending 2 to 3 hours a day to educate their children on top of a 10 to 12-hour workday. Some have experienced near death resulting from the virus. Some have already lost someone from it, and some are not sure if their loved ones are going to make it. Others don't believe this is a big deal. Some people have faith in God and expect miracles during this 2020. Others say the worst is yet to come. So, friends, we are not in the same boat. We are going through a time when our perceptions and needs are completely different. Each of us will emerge in our own way from this storm. It is very important to see beyond what is seen at first glance. Not just looking, actually seeing. We are all on different boats during this storm, experiencing a very different journey. Check out the links below to change your boat. This is Rhonda Schaefer, and I want to thank you so much for stopping by to hear about Are We on the Same Boat? Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Good day.